Hey guys, Terry here with Good Ingestions. Today's video is by request. A couple of viewers asked about the mushroom gravy that I had in the last video, so today I'm going to show you how to make it. This mushroom gravy recipe is one that I grew up with and I've always loved it. As part of a nutritarian diet, it's a great way to get in one of your G-bombs, mushrooms. In order to make it nutritarian though, I had to replace three things: butter, salt, and flour. I'll leave the recipe in the description box below. Just click on Show More. So here's what I did. Take 16 ounces of mushrooms. They can be creminis or white button mushrooms as I have here. Give them a good rinse and drain them well. The original recipe started with butter, but we're going to use vegetable broth here for sautéing. Add 3 tablespoons of low-sodium vegetable broth or stock to a saucepan and place it over medium heat. Slice the mushrooms and add them to the pot. Give them a stir. Cover the pot and sweat the mushrooms for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add 2 teaspoons of dried minced onion and a half teaspoon of Bragg's liquid Aminos. This will replace some of the salt from the original recipe. Add 1/4 teaspoon of fresh ground black pepper, give it a stir, put the lid on and let that simmer. To replace the flour from the original recipe, we're going to use 1/4 cup of raw cashews. Be sure that they are unsalted and that the package says raw. Place the cashews in a high-speed blender such as a Vitamix. If you're using a regular blender, you may want to soak the cashews for about 10 or 15 minutes in warm water first. You will need 2 cups of unsweetened almond milk. Pour 1 cup of the almond milk in the blender with the cashews, reserving the other cup. Blend the cashews, gradually increasing the speed to medium, and blend for 20 seconds. Increase the speed to high and blend for 20 more seconds. Add the reserved cup of almond milk and continue to blend on high for 20 seconds. Pour the cashew milk mixture into the mushrooms. Give that a stir and bring it to a simmer uncovered, stirring frequently. If you're impatient like me, you can crank the heat to high and stir it constantly until the sauce thickens. Just don't walk away from it if you do decide to do that. Let the sauce bubble for about 2 minutes, then turn off the heat and stir in a teaspoon of plain white vinegar. This is also going to help replace some of the salt flavor from the original recipe. You can experiment with how much vinegar you like in there, but don't overdo it. It shouldn't taste like vinegar, it should just taste good. Your creamy mushroom gravy is ready. Pour the gravy over the steamed cauliflower, or whatever steamed vegetables you choose. This would also be great on steamed kale, or get creative and make a fresh green bean casserole and top it with caramelized onions. This mushroom gravy is really versatile. Of course you can put it over steamed vegetables, but you could also put it over sprouted green toast or quinoa, or you could add some nutritional yeast, some broccoli, and put it over your favorite whole grain or bean pasta and make a pasta con broccoli dish out of it. You could even thin it out and make a cream of mushroom soup. However you decide to use it, I hope you enjoy it. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and hit the subscribe button for more videos. Make sure and click on the bell so that you get a notification every time I upload a new video. Please leave your comments and questions in the comments section below. That way it's helpful to more viewers, and I always love hearing from you. Be on the lookout for my next video when we say goodbye to winter with a delicious cup of nutritarian hot cocoa. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, the road to health is paved with good ingestions. See you next time.